We've all seen them in movies, heroes with incredible strength, speed, and even mind-bending powers. But what if I told you that some of these abilities aren't just fantasy? In this video, we're going to explore the real science behind superhuman abilities and what makes them possible in the real world. Let's start with one of the most iconic superpowers, superhuman strength. We've seen heroes like the Hulk lift cars, but could real humans have that kind of power? In reality, humans are capable of feats of strength that seem superhuman. Take the phenomenon of hysterical strength, a temporary burst of strength triggered by adrenaline in life-or-death situations. Stories abound of mothers lifting cars to save their children. This strength comes from the fight-or-flight response. When our bodies release adrenaline, our muscles get an explosive boost and we can exceed our usual limits. What about mental powers? Superheroes often have abilities like telepathy, clairvoyance, and even mind control. While these are far from reality, the brain's power is still mind-blowing. Take memory champions, for instance. These individuals can memorize hundreds of random numbers or cards in minutes. They don't have superpowers, they've just learned to unlock the brain's full potential. Our brains have the capacity for incredible feats, but we rarely use the full potential. With intense training and concentration, humans can sharpen abilities like focus, memory, and even sensory perception. What about super speed? Can we ever run as fast as characters like the Flash? While we may never break the speed of light, humans have an amazing ability to push the limits of speed and endurance. Take world-class sprinters, for example. Usain Bolt, the fastest human ever, reached speeds of nearly 28 miles per hour. But how does that compare to the theoretical limit of human speed? Science tells us that while our muscles are capable of generating immense speed, our tendons, nervous system, and even body mechanics limit how fast we can run. But that doesn't mean we're at the end of the line. Advances in training, technology, and even genetic modification could unlock greater potential. What if superhuman abilities were encoded in our DNA? In fact, some of the greatest feats of strength, speed, and endurance might have roots in our genetics. Scientists have identified certain genes that contribute to traits like muscle density, reaction time, and even pain resistance. For example, the ACTN3 gene is linked to faster muscle contraction speeds, which is why some sprinters have it in abundance. With genetic research advancing rapidly, who knows? We might one day see genetically enhanced humans with abilities we once thought were reserved for comic book characters. But here's the exciting part. What if we could augment our abilities with technology? We already see the use of exoskeletons to help people walk, and robotic limbs that give people the ability to perform tasks they never could before. Advances in cybernetic implants could one day enhance strength, speed, and even cognitive function. In fact, researchers are already exploring how to enhance human physical capabilities through technologies like neural implants and AI-powered prosthetics that can integrate directly with the brain. With all these advancements, we must ask, what are the ethical implications of superhuman abilities? If we could enhance humans with technology or genetic modification, where do we draw the line? Would it be fair to give some people abilities others don't have access to? As we unlock these incredible abilities, we must also consider the responsibility that comes with them. The future of superhuman capabilities is not just about the power it gives us, but how we use it. Is the future of humanity filled with superhumans? Let us know what you think.